Welcome to the Google Analytics Tracking Code Guide, a comprehensive tutorial that will walk you through the process of setting up and using Google Analytics to track your website's traffic and behavior. First, let's start with the basics. Google Analytics is a powerful tool that helps you understand your website's audience, track their behavior, and analyze the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. To get started, you need to create a Google Analytics account and obtain a unique tracking code that will be installed on your website. The tracking code is a small piece of JavaScript code that tracks user interactions on your website, such as page views, clicks, and conversions. To install the tracking code, you will need to copy and paste it into the header section of your website's HTML code. This code should be installed on every page of your website to ensure accurate tracking. Once the tracking code is installed, Google Analytics will start collecting data on your website's traffic and behavior. You can then log in to your Google Analytics account to view reports on your website's performance, including the number of visitors, bounce rate, average session duration, and conversion rates. One of the key concepts in Google Analytics is the use of goals and events. Goals are specific actions that you want users to take on your website, such as filling out a form or making a purchase. Events are specific user interactions, such as clicking on a button or watching a video. By setting up goals and events, you can track the effectiveness of your website and marketing efforts. Another important concept is the use of segments, which allow you to filter your data based on specific criteria, such as location, device, or browser. This helps you to analyze your data in more detail and gain a deeper understanding of your audience. To get the most out of Google Analytics, it's essential to follow best practices, such as verifying your website's ownership, setting up data retention, and using filters to exclude internal traffic. You should also regularly review your data to identify trends and patterns, and make data-driven decisions to improve your website and marketing efforts. In conclusion, the Google Analytics Tracking Code is a powerful tool that helps you understand your website's audience and track their behavior. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can set up and use Google Analytics to gain valuable insights into your website's performance and make data-driven decisions to improve your marketing efforts.